Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Amazon account's password. First of all, launch your browser, and as I do that, simply type in reset Amazon password. You will see amazon.com that says reset your password. Tap onto the first link, and as I do that, you will see this. Here is what we found, and if you would like to reset your password, you're going to have to go to Password Assistant, enter your email or phone number, and they will send you a one-time password. Enter that OTP, create a new password, and it will be active for all Amazon accounts linked to that email. So all you have to do is select this Password Assistance. And likewise, as the prompt says, you're going to have to type in your phone number or email address related with your Amazon account, then select continue. And you will get a OTP or one-time password. Enter that and follow the on-screen prompt, then you will be able to reset your password. Thank you for watching.